In this video, I will show you how to animate a button. Say we want to add a button. So I want to add here a div, and inside the div I will add a button. And let's say I will type here button and click me. Here you can see we have a button, click me. Let's say I want to add some padding. So I will add button here, curly braces, and inside the curly braces I will say padding 300 pixel. If I go to the browser and refresh, here you can see we have a large button. I just want to add margin so that just button comes here in the middle. So I will say margin 200 pixel. Now refresh it and you can see our button is here. Now let's just add some padding, a little bit padding. Here I will say 20 pixel. Okay, and now go to the browser, refresh it, and here you can see this is the button. Let's add background color RGBA, and here if I go here and I will search for RGBA color picker, and first link, click on the first link and just set a color, and let's say we want to add this color. Okay, and just want to copy it and go to the code editor, just change here, paste it like this, and go to the browser and refresh it, and here you can see color is changed. But now I want to add pop-up animation in click me. So let's say when I will hover on this button will pop up. Okay, so to add hover effect, I will go to the button and I will say here hover, and I will use here an attribute called transform. This transform will create a hover effect. So this is 1 point, that's a 1. Okay, and now if I go to the browser and refresh it, and here you can see it is pop up, right? And maybe I can change the background color also. So yes, background should be, let's say I want to change the color from here to here. Just copy it and go to the editor and change here. Okay, I want to change the text color also, white. And okay, that's it. And now go to the browser and refresh it. Here you can see it also pop up and change the color also. So this is how you can add effect on a button. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.